Hello, my name is James Gwilliam, and today you are watching the footage that I have from the first car meet I went to of 2020. And the car meet I went to is of a car club called IMPRACTICAL UK. It's a recently formed car club, however, they are very good. The meet was in the dark, so hopefully the footage that you can see is visible. The footage isn't the best because I couldn't get the best angles and stuff to record everyone on, and I was speaking to people a lot, so there wasn't too much time to record the footage. However, this is what I got, and I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die